ChatGPT feels incredibly smart. It answers questions instantly. It writes clearly. It sounds confident. So most people assume it understands what it's saying. But here's the truth. ChatGPT does not know things the way humans do. And once you understand what it actually does, it becomes far easier and safer to use. Let's break it down step by step in simple terms. ChatGPT is a type of artificial intelligence designed to generate text, but it doesn't know facts, it doesn't think, and it doesn't understand meaning. Instead, ChatGPT predicts the next most likely word over and over again. That's it. Every sentence it produces is built one word at a time based on probability. It looks intelligent because the predictions are very good, not because it understands what it's saying. Here's the simplest way to understand ChatGPT. Imagine you start a sentence. The sky is... Your brain already expects certain words to come next. ChatGPT works the same way. But instead of intuition, it uses patterns from massive amounts of text. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it can search the internet. It can look up a database. It predicts what a good answer should sound like. That's an important difference. ChatGPT sounds smart because it was trained on examples of human writing, books, articles, websites, conversations. So it learned how answers are usually phrased, not whether they're true. This is why ChatGPT can sound confident even when it's wrong. It's optimizing for believability, not accuracy. Confidence is a writing skill, not a thinking skill. Let's clear up some common misunderstandings. ChatGPT does not understand your intent, know whether something is true, remember past conversations like a human, have opinions or beliefs. It does not reason independently. It responds because you ask something, and it predicts a response that fits the pattern of an answer. That's why you should never assume ChatGPT is checking its work. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating ChatGPT like a human expert. They ask vague questions. They expect judgment. They assume understanding. But ChatGPT works best when you guide it clearly. Specific instructions help it predict better responses, not because it understands you, but because you reduce uncertainty. Clear prompts don't make ChatGPT smarter. They make its predictions narrower. Sometimes ChatGPT gives answers that are completely wrong, yet sound perfect. This happens because it prioritizes flow, not truth. If it doesn't have a strong pattern for a correct answer, it may generate something that sounds right instead. This is why fact-checking matters. ChatGPT is a drafting tool, not a source of truth. The best way to use ChatGPT is as a thinking assistant. You provide the goal, the context, the judgment. ChatGPT provides speed, structure, suggestions. Think of it as autocomplete for ideas, not a brain. If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this. ChatGPT predicts language. It does not understand meaning. Once you stop expecting intelligence and start using it as a tool, it becomes incredibly useful and far less confusing. This channel exists to explain AI calmly for beginners. No coding, no hype, no fear. If this helped you understand ChatGPT, subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI explanations. And in the next video, we'll break down why AI prompts fail and how to fix them.